Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be making jelly bean nougat. Now, generally when you make the nougat with fruit flavors, you use either gumdrops or you use like those Dots candy. But this is more or less an Easter flavor nougat, and I bought some jelly beans that were on clearance after Easter sale. What all goes into the jelly bean nougat? 2 tablespoons butter, 1 10-ounce jet puffed mini marshmallows. I got the generic. 2 bags, 12-ounce each, white morsels. I have 1 bag that's 24 ounces. And 1.5 cups bright colored jelly beans. This is all I had left. I got the Starburst jelly beans, but they're bright. So let's begin. Take an 8x8 pan, line it with parchment paper. I crinkled it up so it lay flatter, and then I clipped it so it will stay where I want it to stay. Works great. In a large pan over low heat, take your 2 tablespoons of butter and your 10 ounces of marshmallows, and melt the butter and the marshmallows, stirring constantly. When it's smooth, add your 24 ounces of the white morsels and mix those in until everything's all smooth. And they'll melt with the heat of the marshmallows, hopefully. I don't know why you didn't melt them with the marshmallows. I think that would have been easier, but maybe they melt at a different melting point. I don't know. Then quickly add your 1.5 cups of bright jelly bean. You want to hurry up and get it stirred in before it sets up too much. It's already starting to get hard. Take and grease your hands. I've got some butter here. And put your nougat in the pan. I didn't get all of the jelly beans mixed in, so I'm going to be doing that as I'm putting the nougat in the pan. And I'm going to just kind of mix it as I'm putting it in so they get mixed up, because it was too hard to do it in the pan. Do whatever you can to make it work. And you just want to press it down. I think the best thing to do is either melt the morsels with the marshmallow or melt the morsels in the microwave and add it to the marshmallow, because it did not want to melt just by mixing it with the hot marshmallow. I put it back on the stove to melt it a little bit. Try to get this as even as possible. Do like you do the cakes and pies and whatnot. Go from the center to the edges. Push down a little bit. You want to make sure you have clean hands and greased hands. You'll be able to, with these clips, you can unclip it and then you can pull parchment paper out and then you can cut it. All right, so here is the jelly bean nougat. We'll put it in the refrigerator for a minimum of 2 hours to let it set up. I'll have mine in the refrigerator until Dave gets home tonight. So here is the jelly bean nougat. Let's see what Dave thinks.
This is very colorful.
It's supposed to be.
Is that jelly beans?
It is jelly beans. That is jelly bean nougat.
Is this white chocolate or something?
White chocolate and marshmallows.
Boy, that's pretty good.
Usually nougat has gumdrops or dots. This is the Easter version.
I don't need this many sweets, but this is really good. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.